Hi everyone, I am Punya Agarwal, ACC affiliate and co-founder of Being ACC, and in this video I will be answering one of the hot topic which we have, that does attempts matter in ACCA as it matters in other professional qualification. So just like a disclaimer, these all views are completely mine, and this is what I have experienced personally by seeing my fellow ACC affiliates or students around me. So again, a proper full personal experience plus these are completely my opinion. So I personally feel that number of attempts do not matter in ACCA. When you are being completely honest to your qualification, completely you are doing your hard work, and because of that hard work, and even after doing your you're giving it 100%, you are not able to pass, and then it is causing more number of attempts. That is completely fine. Like no employer, personally I have seen that no employer will ask you how many attempts did you take to pass a particular paper. Okay, they will be simply concerned about your other areas, whether you are an ACC affiliate or no, do you have an experience or no prior to that employment or whatever. So that is what is counted. In other professional qualifications, I know that the number of attempts actually matter, and they actually decide your pay scale at an organization. They also decide whether you will be part of that organization or no. So, but in ACCA, I personally do not feel that the number of attempts matter. But one thing I truly believe is that, if you are not being consistent in your qualification, if you're not being serious in the qualification, and that is causing you to attempt a particular paper number of times, and you are not very serious, and you think, okay, let's you have prepared half the paper and then you gave that paper and you failed the paper for obvious reasons, then that is a problem. Why? Because ultimately the more that you give a particular paper, of course you will be wasting your time also. So if you're a full-time ACCA student, for example, because you were not very serious, you were because ACCA can be little we can procrastinate because it is upon us when we want to give the paper, right? So if you are in that category and you're procrastinating, you're not being serious, that will cause you to complete your ACCA in like more number of years. That will delay your employment, and once you enter into the corporate world, if you want to go in that, then you will see people who have done ACCA in like 2 years, 2.5 years. Myself has have done ACCA in 2.5 years. So there will be people who have done in lesser time also. So you might feel that comparison being made, and you might feel that, oh my god, I'm lagging so much, this is because of the number of attempts. But that was not because of the number of attempts, that was because you were not serious in your qualification, right? So if you're serious, and if you're constantly preparing well, you're consistent in the paper, you're not procrastinating, and then also if you fail 1 or 2 times in a particular paper and then qualify the qualification, that is not at all an issue. The employer will not be concerned about that. They'll only be concerned about that you are qualified, you have the experience, you have the relevant skill set, and you are good to go. So I hope that this video really helps all the people who are struggling with this question in their mind. And because I know that there are students who have 9 to 10 attempts of a single particular paper in ACCA, and then also they get into like good companies because they have that determination, they have done that hard work, right? So just be consistent, do not procrastinate, and it is all right if you fail in a particular paper. Number of attempts do not matter in ACCA.